Hey guys, sharing to you a PSE update that I did yesterday, which I did live on Facebook. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, or you're new to this Facebook page, like so you get updated on what's happening in the markets on a regular basis. Hey guys, good evening to everyone in Manila and Asia, and good afternoon and good morning to everyone watching this from different parts of the world. This will just be a quick Facebook Live now, as I've promised to make a combination, not just our canned YouTube videos, but also a lot of Facebook Live videos talking about what's happening on the markets on a regular basis. The market was down, it hit 7,501. As I've mentioned in the past few days that we still really haven't shown any signs of clear reversals. That's one. And number two, aside from us not hitting any signs of clear reversals, is that we haven't really had convincing volume as well. I mentioned this in previous videos that there's a tipping point that will probably cause us to bounce somewhere near a certain level and to either break down and go back to around 6-9 levels again. So looking at the value turnover, it's relatively weak. We just hit around 3.8 billion, less than 4 billion for the day. And please remember, markets to go up, it really needs a significant amount of buying. Without significant amounts of buying, it's hard to make those stocks go up. It's buyers who bring the markets higher. It's buyers who not just protect it and build the support, but it's buyers also who would cause markets to break out and move further. Quick update. Stock Smarts Manila is the next session. I think it will be September 1 and 2. So for those who want to learn about technicals, by the way, a lot of people are asking, why do I like technicals a lot? Because it removes all of the biases and you see the charts for what it is. You see the charts for without being, connected much to hype or speculation, and you just see the charts for I guess you don't need to check the news, you don't need to check the economy when you're using the charts, and that's what allows me to trade in spite of the busy schedules, because it doesn't take a long while to analyze charts as compared to going through all of the news and data every single day. The chart that I'm using, I always use Chart Nexus because it allows me to trade and toggle between different markets. When I say it allows me to toggle, kasi I trade, for those who've been following my videos, I trade not just the Philippine markets, but I trade Nasdaq and also the Singapore market. So in one chart, I have everything that I need all together. So there, and this is something that you can use and download and also trade even if the market or you don't have an internet connection. You have Mark Lantin, hello to you. Joey Ubantan from Taiwan, good evening to you as well. So now this is where the index is as of this point in time. As you can see, it really had a hard time breaking past this resistance level. You have a resistance somewhere here, protecting and preventing the market to go higher. So this is around the 7,830 level. That's what's preventing it to go higher. And then you have a stronger one here at this level at around 8,000 plus, which is our major resistance. And as you all know, for those who've been following the previous videos, I've been saying and consistently saying that we have a very, 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 very strong resistance at the 8,100 level as well. So if we don't break out from 8,100, we really can't see the market move up and go higher. March Tudor from Hong Kong, hello. Alaver Kunak from Riyadh, Netsky Pechki from Singapore. I hope to meet you in November in Singapore. Then you have this. So the failure to go up over the past few days is because it failed to break out from this level. And I mentioned this even in the Bloomberg interview that the retracement that we're seeing is all because of that. and possibly here. We've broken down from two support levels to two support moving averages, and the one that's protecting us is at the 7,747 level. So why am I saying this? This is a key level, no, that we have to watch out for, around 7.4 plus, because if we do not hold this level, the market can retrace and go down back to around 6,900 to around 7,000 levels, which was somewhere over here. So I can peg this that you can put your support line over here, that if it does not hold this level, see this, around this level, 7,460 or 7,470, could possibly retrace there. Another thing to note is volume is literally going down as well, meaning you don't have a large prefix of buyers coming into the markets trying to buy the stock. And another thing that I'd like to consider is for those who use oscillators, there's a change in direction for the MACD, and I discussed this also when I was in Bloomberg last week, or One News Network, that there's a change in direction downward, which was brought about by this. The change in direction was the failure of the market to go up and the retracement from this area. So this is pretty much consistent to what's happening as well. So key thing to remember to watch out for is the level at 7,470. Failure to hold 7,470, we can go back to this level at around below 7,000 or 6,900 levels as well. That will be one of the very, very cheaper levels to come into the market, but it brings us to a more bearish stance as well. And again, until we break out of this resistances, we will never reverse as of this point in time, and it will be hard for the markets to reverse until we see a large amount of buying. Especially, please remember this, it's not just that foreigners are selling, it has to be foreigners and locals buying aggressively to put markets higher as well. So that's it. Something very short. We have Ida Tablin from Israel watching us as well, so well represented. We have Ivy Gamayan from Belgium. Ivy, I have good news. We might have stock smarts in Germany, so something closer to your area na rin. So to those from Europe, we will have London and Germany next year. So I hope to see you guys there. So that's it. That's my take on the markets. We're not aggressively in a downtrend, but we're still not bullish. We're still consolidating. We're still sideways. The way to make money there is to how do I say this? Is to trade the range. Every time it hits a support, you just keep on buying. Every time it hits the resistance, you sell. And the thing about that is this, for those who've been following the older videos, is that we haven't really seen something change in our market, meaning we need to have something compelling to put buyers in the table. We need to have something compelling to have foreigners also want us to buy at higher levels. Until that happens, until something shifts in the economy, or until you see good, not just economic data, but also corporate earnings, it will be harder for companies to buy us. Please remember this, and I say this all the time, it's not just about the Philippine story. We're also compared to other markets in different areas of the world. So meaning, if Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia has a better story, or even more developed countries here in Asia like Korea, Singapore, Japan has better stories than us, money will move there, aside from the other risks that you are seeing from the US, China, and even Turkey storyline. So those are the prevailing storylines that could possibly happen. I got a question in YouTube a while ago. Ayan, YouTube! Asking about the crash, no? So I'll try to make a video about that, because I've been getting more and more questions lately in YouTube about them asking about an impending crash, that a lot of people are anticipating a crash. Should you ride it? Should you anticipate it? Should you forecast it? But you know me, I'll answer that based on either technicals or fundamentals, because that's what I am. I don't speculate. I just really base it either on the charts or on the numbers. So that's it for now. By the way, I'll be in Tacloban this weekend, so I hope to see you guys there. If not there, I'll see you in Stock Smarts Manila this September. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. As promised, I'll do as much Facebook Lives again for you guys. So that's it for now. See you all again soon.